Hi, Barbara. I think you're off to a good start here. You've got your 30 shapes and 30 lines. You've done a neat job of laying these out. Um, and I think you've used some interesting shapes and lines. A couple things, though. First, these have to be done by hand. Hand drawing. We're going to do a lot of hand drawing in this class. If you have a tablet, you can doing it with a tablet's fine, but don't use the predefined shapes or snap things to line. So I want them to be completely hand generated. Next, the lines are to be about motion. Speed, fast, slow, those kinds of ideas. You've got a lot of verbs here. Some of them are motions, fall, up, but then you've got things like nouns, mountains. What else do you have? Some other things. You're also getting into cold is another one. You're also getting into shape rather than line, and I know that there's a fine distinction between them. But these ones here are starting to enclose space and be much more about creating form than creating line. On your shapes, they are to be about senses. So the idea of touch and fluffy is fine, but roll is more of a motion that would be more appropriate in the other one. You're also using a lot of representational imagery here. Smiling mouths, sun, puddles, clouds, birds. Those kinds of objects, balloons, are representational. That is, they are drawings of something that things that exist or could exist. And what we're trying to do here is be completely non-representational, but being expressive in the forms. So like what you're doing in fast here, even though it's quite linear, is very representational. You're not drawing a fast car or a speeding motorcycle or something like that. You're using your line work here to express the idea, and so that's what I'm looking for here. Not drawings of fire to represent hot, but a form that would give us the idea of something being hot. So if you could go back and revisit these, making sure that you're using line for the line part and shape for the shape part, doing these by hand, and doing them non-representationally, okay?